Hello, 1, 2, 3. My check. Um, Short stories, bad times. Okay, so I decided to really come back at some point in this particular week, which just a week after I published my previously published podcast episode. Okay, should I try to record again? Because I just misspelled the word, and that's very, very a shame moment. But I hope that you guys don't mind it. Okay? But just small mistakes from my pronunciations. It's not so good, but I'm trying my best to actually fix it by talking with you guys and just considering this whole kind of channel from the moment I published the first episode to now. Just small talks for me, just a 5-minute sessions, just to kind of practicing the English in front of a mirror. No, I mean, this is not a mirror, but it truly is my computer screen or my laptop, my iPad, my iPhone screens. It's just kind of a mirror. So let's just considering it's a mirror, okay? Okay, enough shit. And it's currently 1 a.m. in the morning, and everything is so quietly. Once again, I am still alone in an empty space, thinking about myself. Okay, I'm trying to my best to try to kill myself. No, it's not kill the shit. The left. No, the only. No. No, the after part of this conversation, which is from the minute number 3 now, starting now. Yes, it's minute number 3 now. It's mean we have like 2 minutes left, so I'm not trying my best to actually no, I forgot it. I forgot what I tried to say. Oh my god, shit. But it's kind of pretty much thing to actually hearing myself speaking shit. It's just sometimes heal yourself, healing yourself. When you just listening to myself, but I think that with my empathy voice, quite warm voice, and with the help and support of my iPod microphone, which is pretty much nice. And maybe I'll try to remember what I just previously said in the last minute, because it just surpassed the next minute, which is minute number 4, which you guys wanna tap on the screen and see. It just passed away in minute number 4, and for me, every moment, every single second, it's just very precious, and it cannot be reverted. So I try to live my best moment ever, actually. And we have 30 seconds left. Okay. Let's just spend the last seconds together to actually silence and relax. Goodbye.